Hello students, good morning. In last class we had done this on page number 20. Okay, today we are going to do the sums on page number 20. Add 6785 plus 7453. It is similar to the sums which we have done previously. Okay, this chapter is on addition, so all the sums are of addition. Okay, see, it's already given here and there is a place, so you can directly do it here with pencil. I am doing with pen, you can do it with pencil. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. So 1 you will carry at hundreds place. 1 plus 7 is 8. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 4 is, what is 8 plus 4 children? 12. Okay, so 1 you will carry here. 1 plus 6 is 7. This I have done to show you, no need to do. Okay, this lines. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. So the answer is, this will go at 10,000s place. Okay, so the answer is 14,238. This one will go so 14, this one will go at C. It is written here 14 means 10,000 and 4,000, so this one will go at 10,000s place. Okay children, but there is no place given over here. Just to explain you, they have, I'm showing you, so they have the new place value is marked as 10,000. Okay, so how we get 10,000, that they have tried to show you. Okay, so it is 14,238. Now let us start. Okay, these sums are also there. Arrange the following. Okay children, on page number 21. So let us begin. Let us arrange the numbers. See, already they have given the chart, the blocks of place value. You have to arrange it. See, first number is 7,859. You should always start from units place. 9, 5, 8 and 7. And next number you will start. The second number 6, 4, 5 and 8. Now let us do the addition. 9 plus 6 is 15. 1 you will carry at tens place. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Again 0 here. 1 you will carry here. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 again you will carry at thousands place. 1 plus 7 is 8 and 8 plus 8 is 16. So 1 you will get at 10,000s place and that 1 will come directly here. Okay children, similarly you will arrange the sum 8,888. So 8, 8, 8 and 8. Okay, then 6 will come at units place, 7 will come at tens place, 5 will come at hundreds place and 4 will come at eights place, thousands place. Okay, 8 plus 6 is 14. 1 you will carry here. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 1 you will carry here. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 5 is, what is 9 plus 5 children? 14. 1 again you will carry here. 1 plus 8 is 9 and 9 plus 4 is 13. 1 will come at 10,000s place. So this is the place value, and this is the answer. Now question number 2. Arrange vertically and add. Children, what is the meaning of vertical? In last class I had told you vertical means standing and horizontal means sleep. So in this sum, okay, see, this is question number 2 from your textbook. I have written all the sums. So when you write in your maths notebook, arrange them, make blocks and write. See, this is a 4-digit number. So unit, tens, hundred, thousand. Even this has unit, tens, hundred, thousand. So you will make this way. And then you will do simple addition. 9 plus 8 is, children, 9 plus 8 is 17. So 1 will come here. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. Then 5 plus 6 is 11. So 1 you will carry here. 1 plus 8 is 9 and 9 plus 3 is 12. So what happens, children? So you get a place value of 10,000. Okay, children. So you can always add 1 and this will also become 1. So it is, the answer is 12,167. So please don't make addition marks here, because we don't know if the number comes greater than this, then we can always add here. Now again, units, tens, hundred, thousand. So let us always start from units place. So you will never make mistake. See, even this number will go more. 6 plus 3 is 9. 7 plus 5 is 12. So 1 you will carry here. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. 1 you will carry here. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So 4 you will write here, and here you will make 10,000. Okay, children. So 1 you will carry here, and this 1 will come here. Okay, so always put a addition sign here. I did a small mistake, so I have corrected. Kindly put the addition sign outside the block. Okay, now again let us arrange. Here I am solving 3 sums for you, 3 to 4 sums. Rest sums you are going to do as homework. You are going to solve the entire exercise. Okay. So let us start. Always make a column of 10,000, because these numbers are big. You can see 6 plus 7 will go high only. 1 plus 5 is 6. 4 plus 1 is 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 will come here. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. So 4 will be here. 1 you will carry here. So the answer is 14,356. 14,356. Okay, please write here also 14,029. So I have solved 3 sums for you from question number 2. You are going to solve all the sums. I am arranging for you so you can understand. Please make a column of 10,000, which I have not made. I am making now. Kindly make the column of 10,000. Okay. Because whenever you are adding the thousands, the number is going higher. Okay children, see, I'm making the column. Let me arrange all the numbers for you. 4, 5, 8, 6, 3, 6, 9, 3. Okay. 7, 4, 8, 2, 3, 6, 5, 9. Okay children. So now you are going to do simple addition, how I have done it here. You can see. Okay. Now see, there are more sums given in your textbook, page number 21. See, these are solved already for you. See, Amit, Rupesh and Sumit, arrange the numbers vertically as shown below. Okay. So they have all arranged the numbers. See, which is correct children? Who has arranged the numbers properly? See, Amit has written 37 at 10,000's place and thousands place. Is he right? Rupesh has written the numbers from units place. 7 at units place, 3 at tens place. And Sumit has written at thousands and hundreds place. Who is correct children? Yes, Rupesh is correct. Always start from units place. Okay children. So whether it is 2-digit number or 3-digit number, always begin from units place. Now add the following. Add the following at page number 21. Similarly, sorry children, similarly I have arranged, see, all the sums. Always start from units place. See, I will solve few sums for you which are different. Okay, so 9 plus 5 is 14, 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 7 plus 9 is 16, 1, and here it will be 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, now see, we have another sum, 2-digit. See, the first number is 1157 and the second number is just 900. So I have started from units place. So see how I have arranged. Okay, 0 plus 7 is 7, 5 plus 0 is 5, 1 plus 9 is 10, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay children. Similarly, third sum. See, here it is, first number has 4 digits. So when I have started units, tens, 100, 1000. But the second number is just 35. So what I have done? 5 and 3. So it is units and tens. So I have started from here, units and tens. Now 9 and 5 is 14. 3 plus 1 is 4, 7 and 2. Okay children. Similarly, you will arrange the fourth sum, fifth sum, sixth sum. Okay, let us solve the sixth sum. See, units, tens, 100, 1000 and it has a 10,000 also. So you will make column of 10,000 also. So 4 plus 6 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. 0 plus 8 is 8. 7 plus 3 is 10. 1 plus 5 is 6. Okay. This sums, see, I have not solved, but you are going to solve all the sums. Then nobody should ask me, Miss, इतना ही करना है या ये नहीं करना है. I don't want all this. Okay, you have to solve all the sums. Okay. Now see, here also units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So I have made 10 columns till 10,000. Okay. Now let us arrange. I am arranging all the sums for you, but addition you are going to do it yourself. Okay. Now see, the second number is units, tens, 100. So I will start from here. 5, 6, 1. 9 plus 5 is 14. 6 plus 1 is anything when you add to 0 is always the number, whatever is the number, 1 or 2. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. And 8 will come down. Here also 8 will come down. Okay. Or similarly, I will arrange all the sums and I will give you. Now let's see how I see sum number 10, 300, 150, 70, 35. So unit tens, 100. So I have made a column. Always start from end. Units, tens, 100. Two digits number units and tens place. 5 and 3. 0, 0, 0 and 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 1 you will carry at hundreds place. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Now let us see. 49,000, 44,200, 620 and 54. So 49,000 is the biggest number. So units, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So let us arrange it. Okay children, then always begin from units place. Simple additions. See, addition are simple, but you have to arrange it properly. 4,000, 1,600, 800, 80, 320 and 32. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there are 6 numbers. So you will start from the first number. Okay children, then okay, then you can write this way and you can also write this way, and they have not written rearrange, so we will just directly write how it's given here. Okay, 0 0 0 0 0 and 2, so it will be 2, then 0 0 0. Okay, so just don't. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 1 you will carry at hundreds place. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 1 you will carry here. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay children, see, I have solved almost all the sums, arranged all the sums. Please solve all the sums from the exercise on page number 20 and 21. Okay children, with this we are ending this chapter. Kindly do all the sums on page number 20 and 21. Okay, please do it in maths notebook. Thank you.